How to contact sellers on Vinted. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can contact sellers on Vinted. So let's go. The first step is to log in into your Vinted account, just like I have done here. And then once you are logged in, you can see that on your own page, you'll see different products that you have already. So you have two options, okay? If you have items saved already to your favorite items, you can just go to the top right corner, click on your favorite icon, and then locate the item whose seller you'd like to contact. But if not, if you discovered an item while exploring your home page and you'd like to contact the seller, all you need to do is to click on the item this way, and then after clicking on the item, you wait for the page to load, and then you'll be taken to the product details page. On this page, you'll see pictures about the item, all right, more details about the item. And then by the left side, you'll see the brand, you see the size of the item, the condition, and all of that. Ensure you go through this properly. Then after going through this and you would like to contact the seller, just scroll down and on the left side, right side of the screen, okay, just below the option make an offer, you see the option ask seller. Just go ahead and click on that. And so after clicking on the option ask seller, you'll be taken to the seller's inbox, and from here you can go ahead and ask any question that you want to ask the seller and a response will be provided. All right, so you can just go ahead and send a message to the seller. If you need similar products, for example, and then you have the picture of the product and you want to ask about it, you can just click on the camera icon here and you will be redirected to your device's files, locate the picture, upload it, ask your question, just go ahead and a response will be sent once the seller is online. So this is how you can contact sellers on Vinted. It is very simple and straightforward. So go ahead and try it out today. Thank you for watching.